Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to activate AT&T Prepaid SIM card. So first of all, you need to go to Google and write this simple keyword in the Google search, activate AT&T Prepaid SIM card. And you need to open the first result right here. When you go to this official AT&T website, you need to scroll down and you need to click Get Started right here. So you need to choose how many lines are you activating today. So let's choose one. And let's start. So guys, we need to enter ICC ID or SIM number right here. If you don't know where you can find it, you can click this button right here and you will see where you can find this ICC ID. And then you need to write your phone's IMEI number right here. If you also don't know how to find this, you can click this button right here. So you can just go to your mobile phone settings and there you will see the IMEI number. So then you need to write the service zip code right here and then click the continue button. Or there is also another way you can use the EID number. If you switch on this right here, so here's the instruction where you can find the EID number. Also guys, you need to enter the IMEI number right here and the service zip code. Then click the continue button and that's how you can activate your AT&T prepaid SIM cards. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.